me Trekkie, and welcome to Steam Whistle Brewery, home of Steam Whistle, Canada's premium Pilsner. Oh, me hat. Well, I want you to come along with me as we explore Steam Whistle Brewery. Let's go. Hey guys. We're all from Avenue Q.
Welcome to the Steam Whistle Brewery. My name is Francis. And
hi! I'm Trekkie.
I'm Princeton.
Yeah, I'm Francis still. You guys want to go on a tour?
Yeah!
Okay, hey, follow me!
I've never been on a brewery tour before, and actually I don't really drink a whole lot of beer.
What's up, gang? On the bottom of every single bottle right here, where I'm rubbing my finger, it's a little 3FG.
Whoa! Hey, hot stuff! Can I have another one? Right here.
Well, like that. Blood out.
Magical beer fridge.
Friends might be everywhere.
Can I have all of them?
Do you have your ID?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I do. Whoa.
2,
1, 3.
I loved ringing the whistle.
That was fun.
And I love that we had such a smart, well-informed tour guide.
True.
Hi.
Thank you.
Cheers. Me love beer.